Hello, welcome to Webeo Futures, bite-sized educational resources at the forefront of digital marketing. I'm going to tell you 6 simple ways you can personalize your website content to help boost your online conversion rate. Website personalization helps the online experience of your visitor perfectly align with their intent, encouraging them to react to your call to action and enter your sales pipeline. There are some great examples of how B2B organizations have evolved their website text and imagery to dynamically change and mirror the visitor's IP address locations. The most basic example of this that most of us will have experienced is when global brands automatically change the access domain to the visitor's location. For example, if the visitor is from the US, instead of showing website.com, they are taken automatically to website.com/US. This ensures the visitor sees the specific product brand, price, information true to their location, whilst also ensuring that all content displayed is in the correct language. If your website offers an e-commerce service, this kind of personalization can be especially important. You don't want to receive orders from other countries that you cannot ship to. This can be a very powerful way to tailor your website content, offering new and returning visitors a more engaging experience. Editing images and text to align with the visitor's current time zone offers an exciting and generally unexpected experience. Let's say a potential buyer visits your website after their day's work and encounters a welcome message saying, "Good evening, how was your day?" This is highly eye-catching. Should they visit again the next morning and see a different greeting with a new image or message, you've made both a unique and high-quality impression, boosting the likelihood of achieving conversion. I'm sure you already know the importance of a website made appropriate for mobile and tablet devices alongside desktop. Adopting a mobile-first approach to website content is key in the current marketplace. More than half of all B2B searches are now conducted from a mobile device. Make sure you are leveraging this knowledge by tailoring your visitor's website experience to match the kind of device they are already using. For example, let's say you're selling a software solution, which is usually displayed through images depicting a screen. Why not change the kinds of screen displayed on your site to align with the accessing device? If the visitor is using an iPhone to view a website, try displaying your software interface on a collection of mobile screens as opposed to desktop PCs. Remember, when maximizing device-based personalization, ensure you action these 3 essential elements: a fast loading speed, rotation-friendly content, and easy navigation for touchscreen users. This is a very simple but highly effective method of website personalization. Understanding how individual visitors access your website helps you identify what kind of tone the visitor prefers and what level of content they've already been exposed to. Should a potential buyer access your website through Facebook, you could adopt a more relaxed tone of copy and instantly display insightful product information your social strategy may lack. If a prospect accesses your website through an email campaign, there's a high chance they already know the basic details of your product, allowing you to maximize on a highly sales-driven message. This is how the majority of website personalization softwares deliver a bespoke online experience. Once a potential buyer has given their basic information and entered your CRM, you can leverage these details to segment your database and tailor your website content. For example, if you know the industry of the visitor, you can present a relevant use case and customer testimonial pertaining to their sector. Or, should you know which products or content a visitor has previously purchased or downloaded, you can instantly deliver the most relevant information. Webeo is way out in front in the market for website personalization because with Webeo, you also get access to the largest global matched IP database in the world. How does the matched IP database benefit you? Well, with IP matched data, Webeo can personalize your website to your audience sectors without even knowing beforehand who the visitor is. They don't have to already exist as a record in your CRM or have interacted with your business at all previously. Webeo recognizes how best to personalize to them. The Webeo database will instantly know which business is visiting your website, and based upon their firmographics and your criteria, will serve a highly relevant website personalization instantly, giving you the competitive edge from the very first interaction. You can easily create personalization without relying on complicated code or costly website development, helping you to match industry, company size, or turnover, especially helpful if your product or service covers many industry sectors. Also, visiting business company names, perfect for complementing your account-based marketing efforts or delivering a highly advanced customer experience strategy, and things like geolocation, previous purchases, and online behaviors, ensuring your visitors always view the most insightful and relevant information. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you've discovered plenty of easy ways to deliver the ultimate website experience. We hope that you found this helpful. Please feel free to comment below in the video, and should you have any questions, one of our team will get back to you. Follow @Webeo Global on LinkedIn to see the latest Webeo Futures assets in your feed as they go live.